Rishi Sunak's appointment as the new Prime Minister has not yet affected the market that got stuck. Investors are waiting for the speech that will be provided just after an inauguration ceremony. Rishi Sunak will hardly offer solutions to the worsening economic situation today. Nevertheless, he has gained confidence among banks that are the largest investors in the market. That's why any announcement about the economic situation will be positively welcomed by the market. Against this backdrop, the pound sterling has every chance to gain in value, thus boosting the euro. However, weak macroeconomic figures are still exerting pressure on the euro. Today, experts at the IFO Institute have published Germany's business climate data for October. According to the report, the indicator dropped to 84.3 points, reaching the lowest level since May 2020. Nevertheless, the data was better than expected. The business sentiment remains negative amid the surge in inflation and the key interest rate hike by the Fed Reserve. Notably, on a Thursday, the European Central Bank will hold a meeting at which it's likely to raise the benchmark rate by another 75 basis points. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair managed to maintain the upward trend and consolidated above the intermediate level of 0.9850. In fact, the pair stagnated at this level. According to the technical analysis, it may remain stagnant for some time. Under the current conditions, the flat movement could be considered an accumulation process, and in this case traders should focus on the channel's limits located at 0.98 and 0.99. The next movement will depend on a breakout of either limit. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair once again bounced off the lower limit of the resistance area located at 1.1410. As a result, it dropped below 1.1270. Judging by the situation, speculators are still influencing the market, and this could be proved by the daily volatility and the recent price gap. Under the current conditions, the gap is acting as a support area where the price stagnated. To boost the volume of short positions, which will encourage sellers, the quote should settle below 1.1230 on the 4-hour chart. The upward movement is capped by the resistance area of 1.1410 and 1.1525. If the price consolidates above 1.1410 on the 4-hour chart, the pound sterling may climb to the upper limit of the area located at 1.1525. The price may also break this level. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable trading with the InstaForex and waiting for you on our channel with a new video. See you tomorrow.